Hi, this is Josh from Federal Signal Tech Support. So right now, I am going to show you how to set up a DynaFlare. Now with a DynaFlare, there is more that needs to be done in the setup process than a standard light bar. So without further ado, let's get started. In this example, we are going to set up two DynaFlare units. So let's open up your program first off, click Edit Hardware, and then click the Add Device on the left. Go ahead and look for DynaFlare 1, which is on the left column. Go ahead and select it. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of options here. And if you look, you're able to select the feet of the model DynaFlare you have. So just make sure you select the correct length. So in this example, we're using the 6-foot model. Once that is done, click Add Device again, and then add the next DynaFlare, which is DynaFlare 2. And again, go ahead and select your length. In this case, 6 feet. But you have other options as well. Once all your DynaFlares are added, go ahead and click Device on the top, and then assign Device ID. If the DynaFlares are getting power, you're able to assign the DynaFlares. So go ahead and assign it to your corresponding DynaFlare, and just click Yes. And this, you would have to repeat that process for all the DynaFlares that are listed. And just make sure you click Yes to assign them. Once that is done, you're able to click Test on those DynaFlares to see which ones are lighting up. And from there, you can, of course, rename it in the software to the corresponding DynaFlare. So in this example, if we close this out, we're going to go to DynaFlare 1 on the left. And then after we've seen it illuminate, we can rename that DynaFlare driver because it's on the left-hand side or driver's side. And then from here, you would go ahead and click Detect LED configuration. In this case, it didn't change because it's already red, blue, white, but if you have a different configuration, it will change. So now let's move on to the next DynaFlare, which would be DynaFlare 2. According to the LED test, we were able to determine that it would be the DynaFlare on the right-hand side or DynaFlare passenger. So that is what we're gonna rename it here. And then again, you just go ahead and click Detect LED configuration. And if you have a different configuration than the default, it'll then change. Once that is done, go ahead and click Continue. And then from here, you're able to start the programming process, such as programming flash patterns, signal master, and the like. If you have any questions, feel free to call our tech support line at 1-800-433-9132, option 1. Or alternatively, you can send us an email at fstechsupport@sig.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.